Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the front headlight on a Hyundai Lafesta. The good news is that you do not have to remove the entire front bumper for this job. However, we will need to partially loosen the bumper because one of the headlight mounting bolts is hidden underneath it. Once you know where that bolt is, removing the headlight becomes quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the hood. The very first step is to remove these 6 plastic clips that secure the upper section of the front bumper. We need to do this because the upper edge of the bumper blocks the headlight from being removed. Using a trim clip removal tool, carefully remove all 6 clips one by one. With the proper tool, they come out very easily, and you can avoid damaging the plastic clips so they can be reused during reassembly. Next, we need to loosen the side of the front bumper. This is important because there is another 10mm bolt underneath that secures the headlight in place. To make the job easier, turn the steering wheel fully to the left or right, depending on which headlight you're removing. This will give you better access to the wheel well. Now remove 1 plastic clip from the side and 2 more clips from underneath the bumper. Again, use the trim removal tool to safely remove them. Once the clips are out, you'll find a 10mm bolt. Using a ratchet with a 10mm socket, completely remove this bolt. Now gently pull the side of the bumper outward. It is held in place by plastic retaining guides, so it should come off without much effort. Here's a close-up view of how those guides look. As long as you pull carefully, nothing should break, and the bumper will snap back into place during reassembly. With the bumper loosened, we now have full access to the headlight mounting bolts. There are 2 10mm bolts on the top of the headlight. Remove both of them completely. Then, remove the third 10mm bolt on the side, the one that was hidden behind the bumper. This is the reason we had to loosen the bumper in the first place. Once all 3 bolts have been removed, the headlight is ready to come out. Carefully pull it forward, but don't remove it completely just yet. Before taking the headlight out, make sure to disconnect the electrical connector on the back. Press the locking tab and unplug the connector carefully. Now you can completely remove the front headlight. If you'd like to see how to remove the complete front bumper, or if you're planning to remove both headlights, be sure to watch my next video. In that tutorial, I'll show you the complete front bumper removal process step by step. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.